All right, so here we are. We're inside our Facebook dashboard, and what we want to look at are some of the results of the ads that we run. And it's nice to take a look at what's working and what isn't working so that we can then optimize forward. So once you publish your ad campaign and it's running for a few days, you'll be able to come into Facebook and actually take a look at how that advertisement is performing or how that ad set is performing. So here we're looking at just one ad set. We can see that it ran from November 24th until now, which is November 29th. So it really started in the last week. So I'm really looking at like 7 days of data here. And I have the budget set to $300 a day because it's a big group of people. And I've got a good budget, and my frequency is pretty high. The frequency of times that a person has seen this is 2.77. You really want your frequency to be under like 3, basically. So this is pretty good. If your frequency is over 3, then that means that each person is seeing your ad more than 3 times, which might be a little bit too much. Now you notice that I have a lot of data here, and I want to tell you what this data is. So Facebook is going to start you with one of their sort of dashboards, like performance, for example. They have these sort of preset dashboards, and you, because you're a Shopify store owner, actually need to make your own special dashboard, right? So what I like to do is start with their performance and clicks dashboard. So this is a dashboard that Facebook has built in. It's called performance and clicks, and it's got a bunch of data points on it. So what I want you to do is come into your ad set inside of Facebook, which your campaign rather, which might have multiple ad sets depending on how many you set up. Choose performance and clicks, and then once you do that, come down. It'll be on performance and clicks. Click the customize columns button. So you click the customize columns button, and this is going to allow you to display what columns show up in this little menu that lets you see what's going on. So I'm going to have you get rid of some stuff. For example, I'm going to have you get rid of results. I'm going to have you get rid of budget. I'm going to have you get rid of ends and schedule. I'm going to have you get rid of clicks all, CTR all, CPC all. I'm going to have you get rid of CPM. I'm going to have you get rid of link clicks, CTR, and CTR. So basically, you're going to be left with delivery, reach, frequency, cost, amount spent, relevant store, and impressions. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go down this menu here, and we're going to add stuff in. So what I want you to add, first I want you to do is take impressions and put that in front of reach, and we'll have frequency there. So we've got reach, impressions, and frequency. And as we scroll down, I want you to click on website, which is going to, rather, I want you to click on clicks here in the left menu to pull up a list of things. Now, if you scroll down, basically you'll notice that Facebook scrolls on this left menu as you scroll, so it's going to tell you where you are. I'm going to have you click on clicks, and I want you to put unique CTR link, and then I want unique clicks all, and then I want you to select cost per unique click. And I want you to grab this, and I want you to put clicks after frequency, and then I want you to put CTR after clicks, and then cost per click after that. So I'm having you set up a dashboard in a very specific way. Then we're going to click on website, and you're going to have all these options in here because Facebook is tracking all this data because you have Shopify, and it's going to be under Facebook Pixel. So under website, under add to cart, Facebook Pixel, you're going to select that, and then purchase Facebook Pixel, you're going to select that, and then you're going to scroll down just a little bit, and you're going to grab cost per add to cart Facebook Pixel and cost per purchase Facebook Pixel, and you're going to take total cost, you're going to put that at the end. You're going to take relevant score, you're going to put that under total cost. You might have to watch this video slowed down to be able to follow this because it is a lot. Then we're going to grab add to cart Facebook Pixel, and then cost per add to cart Facebook Pixel, and then purchase and cost per purchase, and we'll put amount spent at the very end. We'll actually just get rid of cost. So this is our dashboard that has all of our information that we need. Delivery, reach, impressions, frequency, unique clicks, unique CTR link, cost per unique click, add to cart, et cetera, et cetera. I'm going to walk you through what each of these are. So click the apply button, and that's going to actually have that dashboard show up in your window. And then what you want to do is click this drop-down menu, and there's going to be a save button next to this custom dashboard. So you want to save it so you don't have to build it again, and you can call it Custom Shopify Sales Dashboard and save. And now you have every time you come in here, no matter what ad set you're looking at, you can look at your custom Shopify sales dashboard, which is going to give you all the information that you need about how that advertisement performed. Now, on the ad set level, what we're interested in is, okay, how many impressions happened, right? Which means how many times was this thing seen? How many unique people did it reach? It reached 6,800 unique people, a total of 19,000 times. And each person saw that ad an average of 2.77 times. There were 800 unique clicks. It had a 7% click-through rate, which is really good. It cost me about $2 to get someone over to my offer page, which is pretty high. I had 114 people add a product to the cart, which is $14 per time that happened. So I paid $14 to get someone to add a product to the cart. I had a total of 70 purchases, and it cost me $24 per purchase, which is pretty good for me. So because my products are higher priced, I'm happy to pay $25 to generate a sale on Facebook because I'm selling a $90 unit. You might need to, spend a little less if you are selling a cheaper product. So the other thing that you can click on, so once you have your dashboard here and you're looking at your ad set, is you can click on breakdown and you can see things like platform placement and device. So what we can see when we select that is of those purchases, 65 of them, or rather, of those purchases, 35 of them happened on a mobile news feed on the iPhone. It was only $20 a sale on the iPhone. On the Android tablet, I had 2 purchases. On an iPad, I had 12 purchases. On the desktop, look at how much more expensive desktop is. Desktop cost me $40 in this ad set. And iPhones only cost me $20. So for example, what I could do is go in and modify this ad set so that I'm only targeting iPhones because iPhones are doing the best. And that's how you narrow down. That's what I mean about wide to narrow, is you look at what's working and you narrow down. Similarly, you can look at the age and you can say, take a look at this. Costing me $24 on average for 55 to 64, $34 on average for 45 to 54, and $21 on average for 65 plus. So what if I only targeted 65 plus and I only targeted iPhones? Well, then this ad set would do better. So I got some data, and based on that data, I can narrow further using my sales dashboard and the breakdown options. And you can look at things like time of day. You can look at things like, geographic location and see what cities are doing best. There's a lot of interesting information. Then a cool thing is that within this ad set, if I click on it, this ad set has ads within it. So if I click on ads in this ad set, I can then see my dashboard for the actual advertisement. And one fun thing to do is to look at video engagement. And you can actually start to see, video engagement's a pre-set up Facebook dashboard that they give you. You can see, how many 3-second views you had, how many 10-second views you had, how much it cost you to get someone, for example, to consume 25% of the video, 50% of the video, 95% of the video. So you can see how engaging your videos are. So based off this information, you can then make decisions about how to optimize your ad set going forward. So that's how you look at your data inside of Facebook. I'll see you in the next video.